Hi guys! So the FaceFusion 3.3.0 is out few days ago and it is simply amazing. For those who do not know how to install it, you can check our older video. So this video is for 3.1.1 and 3.2, but the installation process is exactly the same for the latest 3.3.0 version 2. So we have already installed everything, and let me quickly demonstrate how it performs. Here is the FaceFusion. This is the portable one, which you can find the link below. Let me run the CPU version. So it's loaded. You can either press Ctrl and click on this link, or simply copy this and paste it to the browser. So here is FaceFusion. Let me close this all. Now let's choose the source image. I have already downloaded one from Pixabay. Here is the Angelina Jolie's image. Just to give an idea how powerful is this. You can see there is a very small image and not even a full portrait. Anyway, let's select the target image. You can also use a video. This was also downloaded from Pixabay. So here is the target image. Let me choose Face Enhancer. This might download some files to your PC. I'm using a CPU. It will be a bit slower. You can change this Face Enhancer blend and experiment accordingly. You can also experiment with different models. And here are some more tools to play with. I will leave it to default and click on Start. And you can see the output. And the quality is pretty nice, provided look at the source image. By the way, you can also upload a video here. And it can swap faces, but this will take some time. And it will be very slow with the CPU and much faster with the GPU. Thank you very much.